Good morning, it's Monday the 21st of March and this is your daily outlook. The euro rallies as risk appetite begins to stabilise. The euro rallied against the dollar after the G7 finance ministers agreed on a joint intervention in order to stabilise the currency markets. Last week the G7 leaders agreed to join forces by supporting Japan and selling the yen, as a strong yen may stall the country's recovery. After the G7 calmed the markets, world equities rose and risk appetite stabilised. Risk appetite is also supported by a ceasefire announcement from Libya, but the situation in the region still remains fragile. The euro jumped to 141.98 versus the dollar from 140.03 trading on Friday. Focus now turns to the ECB President Trichet's speech due later today. After the US signalling that Japan is recovering from the nuclear threat, the Japanese yen is on the defensive. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar eased to 80.50 from 81.98, but investors still remain cautious as the prospect of the G7 nations intervening still exists. The G7 intervention came after the yen soared to record high levels on speculation the Japanese will liquidate their assets and repatriate their funds for reconstruction. The US dollar dropped against a basket of currencies with risk appetite stabilising. Now US existing home sales data due later at 1400 GMT is expected to disappoint investors by showing a significant decline of 4.9%. The Australian dollar rose against the greenback to break above parity and trade as high as 100.28. Sterling also traded higher, climbing to $162.56 from $160.60 trading on Friday. The Kiwi also advanced against the dollar, edging as high as 0.7343. Oil prices rose, supported by the geopolitical uncertainty in Libya. Oil jumped to $103.26 a barrel, and gold rose to $1,429.31 an ounce. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 141, with a preference to enter into long positions at 141.10. The dollar yen pivot point is at 81.30, with a preference to enter into short positions at 81.25. Today's Canberra market movers: we have the US existing home sales in February forecast to fall 4.9%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive on Friday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.43% and the Dow was up 0.71%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 0.39%, the DAX was up 0.11% and the CAC was up 0.63%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 2.72% and the Hang Seng was up 1.20%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.